Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to zoom in PowerPoint. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, so let's dive in. Now, first of all, open PowerPoint on your computer. Okay, after opening it, just go over here on bottom right corner to the slider option and move it according to your need. If you move it left side, it will zoom out. Or if you move it right side, it will zoom in like this. As you can see. Now a, there's other option also. Just click on view on top, go over to zoom. Now you can select whatever value you want to zoom in. I will go with 120. Just click on OK. You can also click on fit to window. The slide will fit to window. Okay. Probably the best option is this slider. You can zoom in or zoom out according to your need. So that's it for the video, guys. That's how you can zoom in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.